What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In this basic hip hop dance combo series episode, we're going to be adding arms to our very first 8 count. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so in this episode, we will be using episode 1, so if you haven't checked that out yet, be sure to check that out before coming to this one. Alright, so let's get started with adding our arms. So again, whenever I'm adding arms to any of our footwork, we really want to make sure we're a little bit bigger with our movement, so I always say air out your armpits, make sure you're not tucked in, nervous. I call this T-Rex arm, so again, have space between here and also space between here. So as I go for my right, left together, all I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend like I'm almost drawing this circle around my body. So my left arm's going to reach, I'm going to go left, around, and into my heart. And then as I go the other way, I'm gonna go right around to the other side of my chest. So just think you're spinning a table this way, and you're spinning a table this way. So try to put it together with my other feet. So with the right, I'm going left and up, right and up. Come on, 6, 7, 8, and left and up, right and up. So one more time, 6, 7, 8, and left and up, right and up. Very good. So now with our arms for this one, as I'm going up, my arms are going to kind of actually come up with my body as well. So as my body's coming up, I'm going to pump up, throw forward. So think of it, my arms going up and throw. And again, keep space between here. Don't keep it close, but I'm going up, throw to the front. So think you're throwing to your left in front. And then the second one, I'm going to throw with my right to the back. So if I was profile, I'm going up, left, up, right. And again, trying to keep that groove with my arms as well as with my body. So if I'm profile, I'm here, I'm going up, throw, up, throw. So one more time, 6, 7, 8, and up, throw, up, throw. All right, so let's put it all together with the circling with our arms first. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and circle around, up, throw, up, throw. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, left arm first, and left around, right around, push, front, push, back. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and circle, and push, and push. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one. Again, we want to make sure we have space underneath our armpits and also in between here so our movement looks really big. And also for that sliding one with the throw, we're trying to have our arms kind of accent our groove. So my arms are coming up, my body is coming up, so I'm trying to up, 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 just so everything feels like it's very uplifting and happy and has that up groove to it. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard, so go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong, and I'll be sure to give you shout outs and props and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.